So today after the service I decided that I was going to buy a box food because I could not bother with the Sunday cooking, you understand? So I went into this restaurant and the people them in here them behaving like it's the first time them seeing them one another for a long time. This whole heap of talking over the food like it's a seminar them keeping. So you have this one girl in particular, I don't even know if it's a sprinkler system she having to fear mouth or what. But every home she opened it, all I could see was showers of crosses and condemnation coming out of it and landing on the food. So I said to myself, well maybe she will eat it because I could never think it's me she sharing that food for. You know, the young lady come over and put down the food and say, see your food here, miss. So I said to her, actually, miss, I don't think that is my food, you know, because I am looking at this receipt here and I see where I did order the rice and peas and chicken, but I don't see anywhere on this where I did order any mouth water. So she stand up there and she looking at me like she don't know what to do with the food. I said, well, if you feel so passionate about this food, then maybe you need to carry it home and you and your dog can have a candle light and over it. Because as I said before, there is mouth water in that food and there is none on this bill. I think you're giving me a little extra for my money. So either you take out back the mouth water, share out a new food, give me, or can you just refund me my money, please?